Welcome back, everybody. Today we're headed out into these mountains. You can see there's not too many signs of mines. Usually you would see some tailing piles, some waste rock, something like that, and that's a pretty good sign. It's time to head up. We'll find something, usually an old mining operation. You can see all these mountains are pretty much untouched, which is very unusual, especially for Nevada. You go anywhere in Nevada, you'll see a lot of remnants of old mines. So I don't know how much luck we're going to have today. Obviously, there isn't too much in these mountains. You can see, I'll show you guys everything that's around us today. And the wind noise will go away as we go into the mountains. It's pretty much nothing, No mine remnants, no tailing piles, no waste rock, nothing. So, I don't know. We might get lucky and find something. I'm gonna keep following this road. This road is going to go behind those mountains and deeper into those mountains right there. So, let's get going, see what we could find. Going to begin hiking. I see that road right there. It looks like an old mining road, so I'm going to follow it. Reason I'm hiking is because a lot of these old mining roads, you go up them and there's usually no turnarounds, and I really don't want to be backing up half a mile if it doesn't lead anywhere. So I'm just gonna hike it, and looks like a pretty steep one, so let's see what we'll find. You could see there is life around us. We're in a very agriculture part of Nevada. You might recognize it. Undisclosed location. They grow a lot of onions in this area. So, with that said, let's go up that way. Don't know if we'll find anything. This isn't exactly a well-known place for mining. Not a lot of mining was done in this county that I'm filming in, so I'm not sure if we're gonna find anything. But well, there's some mining, but compared to a lot of the other counties, Esmeralda, Churchill, Mineral, there really isn't much that was done in this area. So let's get going and have a look around. You can see the good old waste rock pile, so that's a mine. That's great to see that. I didn't know if we were going to find anything today. The wind is pretty bad, but you can see all the good old structures, all the remains. Look at that, man. There's nothing left behind. Guess we'll go over there now, because on this side there really isn't much else. So yeah, that's a mining claim. That is one of the posts that marks that it's their territory. You can't mine in this area. If that mining claim is still valid, which more than likely it's expired. guys. See if it's closed off. We're on Forest Service land, so just like that, it's not closed off. No, it dead ends. Looks like some pack rats have been here already. Yeah, no sign of bats. Not in this one. You could see there's this old road that goes way up there. Probably hasn't been driven in years, man. Oh dang, no mine. Let's keep going that way. See what else we could find. This was an ore cart trek. And they probably had an ore bin right on the side of it. You can see the first prospect pit today. Right there. Good old prospect pit. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Another prospect pit. Man, this wind is terrible, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I can't do nothing about it. It's a good 20 miles an hour. Look at that. Another mining claim. Nothing in it. So an expired claim. Another one. It's empty. And someone dug a little bit right there. Not sure if you could tell. Keep on going up the mountain, guys. The wind today is brutal. When I was up there in the mountain behind that one, I couldn't even film. Wind was so bad. So I noticed when I was climbing down this mountain, there was this mine. Check this mine out. And it's not fenced off from the looks of it. Let's see. Let's brighten up the camera a little bit. Get the flashlight out. Got 2 shelves, a little water bottle. Yeah. Oh. Little turn off. May have been a dynamite storage room. Let me go ahead. Stay. It's cold in here, man. It's about 90 outside, and I don't know. Came from right there. Oh, it's a dead end. It don't go. Yeah, that's a dead end. I don't particularly enjoy going into mines, so let's go back. It either dead ends or it goes to a sharp turn. Oh, look at that. Somebody left their propane bottle. Let's see, is it empty? Yeah, it's empty. I would have taken that with me. Back into daylight. Man, it was nice being in that mine though. It's like being in a air-conditioned room, you know, after being in the hot sun all day. Filled in. That's probably why they didn't fence it in. They already filled that mine in. Or it just caved in naturally. And there's nothing else this way. So I guess, well, let me show you guys. So we looked at that mountain, this one, the 3 mountains behind that one. So now we're heading to those ones right there. And I could already see in the distance some tailing piles, so let's go have a look at that. Yep. Would you look at that? And it's already caved in. It's all graded off as well. That sucks, man. That's how you know we're closer to civilization. And that's it for this little spot. I guess we're just gonna keep on hiking up this road, and I hope this road loops back. Otherwise, that's to be one hell of a walk to get back. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to hike up all these mountains again, and hoping I don't have to do that. So yeah, we'll have to see where this road goes. I don't see too much remnants of mines up ahead, although hey, we'll probably find something. I went on Google Maps and there isn't anything else if we keep going, which means this is the last mine today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I got more videos to come, so be sure to like the video as well.